Okay guys, I'm going to show you, well, I guess I'll jump around a little bit. I'd rather not. This is a very common problem with people's basements. A crack will appear horizontally across the walls. So this is an exploratory hole. Of course we have water pitched to this direction. Okay, my hand's not in view. And then this is also an exploratory thing going on here. So same thing there, we've got a crack there. We've got a crack about 3 blocks down. Let's see if I can find it for you. Hey, how you doing? Good. So here's our horizontal crack. Horizontal. Not at the base. This we've got a blood belly coming out towards us a little bit. Right about to there, maybe 1.5 inches. And then tapering back again to 0. Here's our horizontal crack here also. So 1, 2, 3, 4 block, about 32 inches. Alright, we're about there. So outside it won't exhibit itself. Cool. So it's clay. This is clay. This is clay. And clay is expansive. So the water came down to the side of this building and it expanded, and it pushed in the wall. It's beautiful, and clay has a way of taking on water and expanding, expansive soil. Now, it hasn't rained here in 10 days, and this stuff is still moist. And I'm down there. I'm down here. Let's see, 2 foot below grade right now. There's grade, and there's here, and it's still moist. All of this is just clay. And it's still moist. So it's pretty expansive. We're going to take it out, put buttresses inside, either steel or concrete. So this is already existing concrete, solid. Okay, let's get to it. The preparation and investigation is complete. Of course, this is the outside. There are staggered stairs I made. Okay, so much for that. I just tried to record and I guess I didn't record properly. So stagger steps, let's start over. Step, step, down. What I showed you is that this is the block wall, expansive soil we're talking about. That this is another block, 8-inch block, that appears to have slid off from I have a card in this damn thing. I wonder if it's recording. Okay, I guess it's recording. Alright, so there's the foundation. This is the block wall. At this plane, where they appear to put an extra, maybe they set the first bed down of this first layer course, and then they made up another layering bed, leveling bed, kind of thick. And maybe when they set this on top, it didn't get a good bond. That indicates why it would be so consistent in breaking the seal right there. Also, it's right at the top of these weep holes if this does work at all. What I showed you is there's water back here. There's some type of buttress that exteriorly done. That's water down in there. That hole goes all the way through. It shows that the property is slid. Here we go. Come on. That the whole wall slid, right? It's pushed over, slid over that one course. The base course is pretty straight still. Now it's on top of the footer. So it's a better bond there than this in second when it meant the next course up. Expansive soil. Remember, Pascal, fluid is not compressible. I did not say air, I said fluid. This soil is expansive soil. You put water in it, it wants to expand. It's so much of it. I mean, there's not a single worm in here. This is a good indicator, as I told the homeowner. This is a great indicator that you got all shit soil. Not even one living creature in it. Nevertheless, I showed them the moisture. We can grab this anywhere, and we can make balls, and it's 10 days old. We can make balls way out here with this material. We can clump it together, and it's just shit. All right, stagger steps. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, and out. Stagger them. There's the soil. Not a single worm. Not a single worm. Now, it'll get repaired out to where it's broken, where it's slid over to there. There's many ways to go about it. This is the way the homeowner want to go about it, as far as taking down the entire wall system, bringing it back level. Plumb off of that base course. I told him, do not put the soil back. This expansive soil should not go back under any circumstances of reinforcing this, putting epoxy rebar inside here, bringing it up. This has got a few steps to it, because he wants to put black block. Now, this all has to be regraded.